evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do our Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Uh, so let's discuss on a higher time frame what's happening with Nifty and Bank Nifty. Uh, if you if you know the last video, I mentioned that I am positionally bearish in Bank Nifty, but suddenly a surprise move that came on Friday, when Bank Nifty moved almost 1200 points in a single day, has shattered all those views. Okay, so let's try and understand in the monthly time frame if Bank Nifty is ready to go for a new all-time high, and how do we understand and trade them. See, right now, last month we discussed that we have an inside candle. So normally people believe that whenever there is an inside candle and there is any sort of a breakout or a breakdown, the move is usually strong. Okay. In this kind of a setup, the downside move was pretty much expected because the same color candle, and it could move better on the downside, because in the upside, it even if it crosses the inside candle, it still has a resistance to clear off and then move further. So that was one of the reason why I was wishing for a downside move. But anyways, if that did not happen, let's understand what we can expect out here. See, the first thing is, since we moved 1200 points in a single day, uh, expecting another momentum from here, which is near about 47 300 to almost 48 500. That means another 1200 points move in a single day. That may not happen, because we have seen that quite a lot of times we did not see market moving 1000 points on a daily basis. One of the probable movement for Friday was, the reason was basically the GDP data that came in for our country, that was way beyond expectation, and that was one of the positivity why the market moved so much. But after the market's movement on a Friday, I was looking out at the data. That was really surprising. First March, FIs just bought about 129 crores. Okay, so definitely they were not the one uh, who moved the markets, is what I can understand. If you look at DIs, they bought about 3,800 crores. So not a very big number in terms of the movement. Second, then I checked the uh, FI's data for the futures. See what happened on the monthly expiry. FI's closed 29,000 future longs. This is a net number. Okay. So this is a huge number which they exited. Then what happened on 1st March when the market moved 1200 points? FIs have shorted some futures. And again, yesterday, they bought some futures. So futures data also doesn't show that they were extremely bullish or they have taken extreme bullish positions, is what I mean to say here. Okay. So market, though it went up, but it did not have any uh, significant participation from FIs, is what I was trying to say. But anyways, let's keep that story apart. And what we can expect here is since this is the start of the monthly candle and it's just been 2 days, the entire month, we need to see if it is going to give a breakout. So before it gives a breakout, obviously, it will be clear. It is already at a positive territory. Okay. If it is not coming below 46,800 or something, then it may still be positive. And tomorrow, if it crosses 47, 400, then you can be sure it may try and attempt 48,000 tomorrow also. But considering Wednesday as an expiry and already a momentum down on a Friday, we could see some correction or maybe sideways market in the next couple of days also. So all these scenarios are definitely there and we have to be prepared for it. So now let's go back to a little bit of smaller time frame, because any time frame you go, you don't see anything to be bearish as of now. uh, though it came down a strong closing, it has given on a weekly chart, even on a daily chart, things seems to be fine. The only thing that I could see here is Obviously Bank Nifty is trying to attempt to fill the gap of 48,100. It failed many a times, but right now we are trading on the higher side. So tomorrow, if we do not open gap down and fall down a little, then it may try to break out this place and reach this place. So if you look at Nifty, there is nothing much to discuss because it is continuously making all-time highs and no signs of reversal. So there is no point in talking about Nifty getting reversed until and unless it closes below any previous candle's low. Then only we'll talk about Nifty getting bearish, but Bank Nifty from bearish sentiment, it has moved to a positive territory is what we are looking at. Now let's quickly look at the data and plan for tomorrow's trading. So 2nd of March, yesterday, not much of volume because it was not an entire day trading, but still FIs managed to create 1244 longs and they closed about 185 future shorts. Uh, the call and put numbers are pretty much, uh, you know, it can consider it as no positions also. Just 8,000 call long and 4,200 put long. Pros have done a significant positions here. They have 71,000 call short and 17,000 put short. So pros are a little bearish on this side. So let's see how the market makes a movement tomorrow. Let's get back to a smaller time frame. Okay. So what we are going to do here is, okay, let me just close all these indicators. 1 second. Okay. So you must know what is your inducement level at this place so that, in case of any, so on 5 minutes, your inducement level is this candle. Okay. So, 24th March, sorry, 1st March candle. And if we break this, then obviously it will come to 47,000. So keep an eye on this. Tomorrow, if we are breaking this level, and then you can take a put trade for this 47,000 area. And if we open gap up, since 47,500 is closer to the resistance, uh, and the first candle was an open high candle in Bank Nifty, but we cannot be sure about yesterday's data actually. But anyways, if we open gap up, we can still expect it to come down here. And then if it is crossing the day high, then you should be definitely bullish and go for a bullish position. Then your target should be around 47,800 and 48,000 eventually. This place, this below this level put, gap up opening around 47,500, it is put. And once we break the day high is when we go for a call. While it is coming down, it is not a very good idea to buy a call until and unless it starts making a higher high, higher low in any particular important level. Now I'm removing this trend line. So this should be the plan for Bank Nifty. Let's look at Nifty. So for Nifty, second, 2nd March. For Nifty, this should be your inducement level in 5 minutes. We can mark this. Okay. So Nifty is bullish. So even if it comes down, it's going to come down slower. But once this level breaks, which is 22,378, you can go for a put for 22,319. And if after a bounce and if it further breaks down, then it is going to come to 22,268. Okay, so this should be your levels. For any sort of an upside in Nifty, it is going to be a trouble because this candle is a very bad candle, which made a high of 450. So going to be very confusing here, and this could act as a resistance. So avoid taking call in Nifty tomorrow. Only if you get a dip until this place, 22,266, then you see a higher high, higher low price pattern, then you go for a call. But otherwise, avoid taking call tomorrow in Nifty because of this particular candle. Okay. So this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Like I said, Nifty is already bullish, and Bank Nifty has turned positive. Let's see if it continues that, and in the next 2 days, if it is not coming down, or if it is just giving a dip and being sideways for people to enter, then there is a probability on a expiry day we can see a sharp move again on the upside. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.